Footings and foundations have been around for a long time, and the business and the way you do it hasn't changed a lot. This is one time where it is changing.
For years, contractors have been looking for a better way to pour footings and foundations. Well, today there is a better way, thanks to Concrete Form Services, an innovative company creating the market's most advanced forming systems for concrete placement.
We're just crazy about tracking productivity. We've increased the productivity of our footings about $6 to $8 per man hour.
They're a lot lighter. They're easy to carry. With wood, each board is different. When you pick one board up, it's heavy, and the next one's not. So as far as for your back, it's a lot better for that.
And since there's no need to saw or cut these forms, easy footings are also a lot easier for just about anyone to set up.
They're definitely faster now because you don't use any nails. I mean, you just pound the stake in and it's a lot faster.
It really is like a set of Legos. It's almost a foolproof method of forming.
Concrete Form Services also provides a foolproof method of storing and transporting your easy footing system.
The easy footings have a designated place on the trailer for where they go, so it doesn't take much at all to train people on how to actually do the footing and load the trailer and so forth.
And when it comes to delivering high-quality workmanship, the easy footing system is second to none.
I noticed that with inspectors and stuff like that, my inspections are a lot easier and a lot better because my rebar is lifted up and it's perfect every time.
On the easy form, you don't have a bracket or a bar go across the top of the footing, which usually restricts your ability to float the footing, to level it off and grade it. The easy footing has a tie in the middle of it, so it leaves the top free and clear to work on. And that's a big advantage when the contractor or homeowner comes up and everything's straight and in line with each other. It looks like a higher quality product. When I go on a job and see a footing form with easy footing forms, it just looks clean and smooth.
For that matter, so does the construction site. Plus, easy footings eliminate waste, smoothing off the rough edges on your bottom line.
When we tried the aluminum, the durability was amazing. We've been able to get many pours on the same set of forms.
I've had 350 pours on them, and I can tell just looking at them that they're going to last forever. I don't see them wearing out. You know, I see getting 2,000 pours out of them easily.
You're not hauling those forms out in dumpsters now. You know, you're putting them on a trailer and moving them on to the next job.
Of course, if you're using the easy footing form system, you stand a much better chance of getting that next job.
When I do a bid now, I can bid it a lot closer and a lot more competitive because I know exactly what I'm going to use on concrete, whereas before I was guessing and my bids were higher.
When you pull up with a set of forms that are aluminum, they're different from everybody else, the contractor does notice it. And I think automatically he develops in his mind an understanding that you may be a higher quality contract because you're willing to invest in some forms that do a better job and a higher quality job. So yeah, you leave a good impression.
What's really amazing about easy footings is that you can do all of this while reducing your long-term costs.
I financed them for 3 years, and it seemed to be about the same payment as what I was paying in wood every month.
With the cost of wood on the rise, contractors using easy footings are actually saving dollars over the long haul, increasing profit margins that much more.
It's tripled my production. No questions about it. I'm doing 3 times the amount I used to do in a day, and with the same amount of manpower. So there's no question in my mind. It's a winner.
They're light, they're fast, and they just make the job easier to do.
I was scared if I didn't buy them, someone else would around here.
Don't get left behind. To find out how you can improve your bottom line while saving money on lumber and labor, call the experts at Concrete Form Services. You can also log on to easyfootings.com for more information on this incredibly efficient and economical system delivering the highest quality product on the market. Remember, if you're not using easy footings, your competitors will be.